Okay, so the next thing we're going to look at is the product availability report. So that will give us the status of all contracts between two particular dates for a single product, regardless of the supplier. So let's have a look. So we pick a product, just one product. So we'll pick soya hulls. Okay, and we're going to do a run for all suppliers for this fiscal year. Okay, so here is our soya hulls availability between the 1st of January and the 31st of December. Okay, so we can see it's similar to the contract statement, but it's for all suppliers. So we can see what we're expecting in from each supplier. So we have R&H Hall, we're expecting 50 tonnes on the 2nd of January. We're expecting another 50 tonnes in the 6th of January, another 50 tonnes in the 18th of January, and so on. And as you can see, there's several contracts for R&H Hall for the same product. It's just different dates. So if we pay attention to the balance column, it shows that the situation. So the expected availabilities are increasing the balance, and the drawings are actually decreasing the balance. So this section here is some drawings that came in, and just one load that was split over a few contract items, and reducing the balance there. So you can see this is all in date, in order of date as it's expected to happen. Your expected and your actual drawings, so your balance as it happened. Okay, so if we go on to the next page, you can see that there's a change of shade of background. So what that means is that white transactions are those up to today. So their current and previous transactions are shown with a white background. So the last white line shows you your position now, as of today. So on the 15th of May, we are still outstanding 1,040 tonnes. So we should have had that much in by now. And the transactions in grey are in the future. Okay, so this is what we're expecting to happen next. White is what we expected to happen up to now, and grey is what we expect to happen after now. Okay, so if I step through this, get to the end of this page, or this section, we see that we're expecting we're still expecting 6,125 tonnes to come in. And if I just look at the next page, it's the same situation for the financial aspect of it, for the invoicing, what we are expecting to invoice, what we have invoiced, and our balance here reflects that. What we're expecting to invoice increases it, actual invoice decreases it. And the same situation, we've got our white background for previous and current today's transactions, and grey background for future transactions. So if we go to the end of that, we can see that we have 5,685 tonnes to invoice. Okay, any questions on that one?